Sizipheke etafuleni lendaba zesiNdebele. Njenganje ke sikhathi sokuthi simphakulele zona zisatshise ukusuka bunqopho emzimkhulu wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg. Asikuqalele izikhamba phambili namhlanje.
You hear that, Mr. Lin? He's the big boss here.
Mr. Lin?
Yes.
What
you know why that number one has gone? Because he sells guns. The owner sells guns here.
Uyalila umntazana weChina uthi unina ungomunye wabasola abagwetshwe iminyaka ema-20 badosa ejele ngamacala ukukhukuthisa abantu. Uthi ungqondongqondo wendaba le ungaphandle.
Now we're having a innocent protest, and this is what we get. This is what we get. So tell me who is right and who is wrong.
Izakhamuzi ze-Westbury zithi ukuthula khona angekhe kwabakhona bekube kumhla kuphuma amanzi empompini zabo.
We feel very bad, hardly bad. We cannot compare Mboma with the other guys here Makuleke.
Umndeni kaNkateko Maluleke wephiko lelutsha le-ANC ufuna ubulungiswa ngokubulawa kwakhe. Udunyuzwe wabulawa nabayasendleleni echinga econferenceni yelutsha ehlagwini eKapa.
We're not selling tickets. I think we must make that very clear to everybody. We are not trading.
Those that are not having tickets don't come near the stadium.
Akhamba kuhle amalungiselelo womdlalo wama-final we-MTN 8 oyokudlalelwa eMbombela ngepelaveke. Ngelesithathu muhle siyakwamukela mbukele endabeni zesiNdebele lapha kwa-SABC 1 akwande mzumkhulu. Umntazana weChina elinye elibalwa hlangana namaChina alikhomba agwetshwe iminyaka ema-20 ejele namhlanje uthi batsho icaleli bazenzele lona liyinto engekho. Uthi batsho kunomuntu ovikelwako lapha begodu ugandelela ukuthi indaba yamacala ukukhukuthisa kwabantu imamala.
Ikhotho ephakemeko yeJohannesburg iphose amaphandle adabuka eChina alikhomba ngeminyaka ema-20 adosa ejele. Amaphandle adabuka eChina la afunyenwe amlandu emacaleni ay-156 kayi-160 kubalwa hlangana amacala wokukhukuthisa abantu kunye nokukatelela abantu abama-91 abadabuka eMalawi ukuthi babasebenzele. Isiqhema sama-Chinese sagwetshwa ngoNtaka ngamacala wokukhukuthisa amaphandle anganancwadi ezifaneleko zokubanganeno bawangenise eSouth Africa pha ngokungemthetho. Unensi Xiao omntwana welinye iChina elibotshiweko ugandelela ukuthi ungqondongqondo wendaba le ukhona eSouth Africa endaweni yeBruma kodwana yena akakabotshwa. Kanti uthi umphathi wabo loyo unomlando ophathelene nokukhukuthiswa kwegolide.
I tell you, that big boss, he has a gun-related background in this Chinese community in this country.
Where is he now?
He's living in this country, in this town.
Wait.
In Burma.
Imbiki indaba zithena zimchuka ngemibuzo ukuthi kuhle ungubani umphathi loyo. Waveza nesithombe sakhe wathi batsho ubizwa ngoMr Lin begodu nguye omphathi omkhulu loyo.
See, Mr. Lin. You hear that, Mr. Lin? He's the big boss here.
Mr. Lin?
Yes.
What
you know why that number one has gone? Because he sells guns. The owner sells guns here. Number one's guy is from the big boss here.
Iphiko lezokuthuthiswa komphakathi lisamukele isiqundo esithethwe ikhotho ephakemeko yeJohannesburg sokugwetshwa kwama-China alikhomba begodu ukugwetshwa kwawo kuthwaya umlando omkhulu emacaleni wokukhuthiswa kwabantu amalanga la eSouth Africa pha.
As the NPA, we welcome this sentence. It will go a long way in bolstering our fight against human trafficking. It is also one that underscores the need for continued collaboration.
Umjolondwana uthi bazokuragela phambili nokusekela bongazimbi bokukhuthiswa kwabantu kunye nokubambisana njengohulumende. Nginguphindile Msiza wendaba ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Ubujamo obuqokeme weSpere eJohannesburg izakhamuzi zichakalela kuvalelwa amanzi. Amapholisa adumuze izakhamuzi ngenkule zeraba ubujama nabuhagalako.
Kamuze Westbury, eWestdene neClermont sekuzimveke ezinomraro amanzi. Namhlanje sivala indlela iFuel Road okuyindlela enkulu ehlanganisa ihloko-dolobha yeJohannesburg neSoweto neRoodeport. Bavala indlela ngamatshe namatera avuthako bavumela besize lirhaboko kwaphela besibhedlela iRahima Musa Mother and Child bona badlule.
All we're asking is for water. There's gun violence happening here every day. People are dying here in the dozens, and you don't see this. But now we're having a innocent protest, and this is what we get. This is what we get. So tell me who is right and who is wrong.
Things will get ugly here. Because here is gunshots going off here in our township. That police is just standing here doing what? And people just throw now in a stone here. Then we'll see they were shooting at us.
Amapolisa patla jabachakale ngenkulu ezeraba kodwa nezakhamuzi zithi angeke zijame ngomjagalo bekube kula bafumana amanzi khona.
If the police are fast to come shoot us for water, they fast to come shoot us for water. We don't have water for over 3 weeks here. But when our brothers are laying dead in the street, they nowhere to be found.
Uhulumende weGauteng uthi usizwile isililo sabajakali.
The Ekenhof pump station, there's some technical problems that we had experienced a few days ago, so the system has to recover. It will take time for it to recover, and it forces us to do throttling to allow the system to recover.
Yesterday we had an emergency discussions with the Minister of Water, meeting all our mayors as well as the MECs responsible for this function, so that we can resolve and attend to this matter.
Abachakali bajamile ke lokuthi nabangafumana amanzi angeke balisa ukuchakala.
Umndeni welunga le-ANC lephiko labatsha ufuna kuphenyisiswe ukubulawa kwelunga lomndeni walo elidunyizwe ngelesibili. Unkateko Maluleke oneminyaka ema-32 ubudala weMalamulela udunyizwe wabulawa ngaphandle kwe-Klerksdorp eTlhagwini Jingalanga.
Umndeni wakwaMaluleke uzilele ukubhujelwa yindodana benkulu kungakalindeleki. Unkateko Maluleke udunyizwe wabulawa ngesimbi yesine ukusa kwangelesibili. Kanti bekazi wakhulu ngombhoma. uMaluleke uthumele imlayezo enhlobeni zakhe ezimbalwa abazisa ukuthi ikhambo labo liphephile ukusa kwangelanga adunyuzwa ngalo. Ikolo yakade yakhamba ngayo nabanye abasithandathu idunyuzwe ngaphandle kweKlerksdorp eTlhagwini Jingalanga. Ebekakhamba nabo akhange balimale. Umndeni wakhe uthi ukubulawa kwakhe kubalimaze khulu.
This is very tragic to us. We feel very bad, hardly bad. We cannot compare Mboma with the other guys here, Kamakuleke. Mboma was the only person of his caliber. So we lost, very lost.
Iphiko labatsha ku-ANC lihlabe kumbi isehlakalo esi.
I want to say our condolences to the family. We know very well that the young man was coming to a program of the ANC Youth League, an historic NGC in the Northern Cape. He was a committed provincial executive committee member of the ANC Youth League in Limpopo.
Umndeni kaMaluleke ubawe ukuthi kwenziwe iphenyo elingeneleleko ngokudunyuzwa kwakhe. Amapolisa athi kubotshwa abogada ababili ngokudunyuzwa kwakaMaluleke.
Police came across one of the vehicles that fitted the description of one of those allegedly involved in the shooting. The said vehicle was involved in an accident seemingly after the driver had lost control. The police interviewed the duo, that is the driver and the passenger, and they indicated that they were members of a private security company contracted by Transnet.
Abasolwa baqalene necala lokubulala, ukulinga ukubulala, kunye nokulinga ukuthatha ikoloyi ngekani, hlangana namacala abathweswe wona.
Nasibuya entolo.
Sihlala sisevalweni kokuthoma abogogo nabomkhulu abaningi siyangenelwa emakhaya lebafuna uzosithathela mhlambe lokho esinokho lokho nabangatholi litho lapho kunye bathathe nefurniture yonke.
Abogogo nabo bamkhulu balila ngokuthi bayidla kabuhlungu imali yabo yomhlala phasi ngonobangela wenilelesi. Siyakwamukela mbukele esigabeni sesibili sendaba. Nazi kuphundileko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asirage nazo.
Ingaba ufuna ukuhlala unolwazi kwaye uqonde ngokusingqongileyo? Ungaxhalabi, sakuphakela ziqhuma ngobunjalo bazo. Ukufumana indaba ezithothe entla iinkqubo zenkundla indibano epalamente kwakunye namagqabantshintshi namajelo endaba singalibalanga izindlu zowiso-mthetho zamaphondo.
This morning that there was a fire that was taking place.
Phakathi kwamaqala athoswe wona nomzana uSikhosana icala lokwakha itulo lokubulala.
Kuya kuloba ka maphorisa ya 3 lava va kongomete ndzawini tele Limpopo.
Dibana nam uKholos Salubisi unonkanyezi apha ku-DTT channel SABC lihaye kunye ne-SABC Plus app rhoqo ngomvulo ukuya ngoLwesihlanu ngentsimbi ye-9 kusasa.
Abanye abogogo bathi bakholekile ngokuthi nabathatha umhlala phasi emsebenzini bathi bayozidlela imali abo ekhaya bese bangenelwe zinlelesi ngendlini zibabambe ikunzi. Abogogo abo bebakhuluma lokho ngesikhathi banombuthano wabogogo wokubonisana nokukhulumisana ngeentshijilo abaqalene nazo emphakathini. Umbuthano lobo ubanjelwe eShowground kwaMhlanga eMpumalanga. Kanti umbikindaba we-SABC uComfort Masombuka usihlanganisele nakumbiko.
Uhlobo ungalinganisekiko lapha ungafunga ukuthi bona umhlekha ababathileko bayokufoda umkhangiso efetshini kanti awu asezidlukazi zendawo zilitshila ziyafanelwa lilikwayikwayi kazi abogogo aba babuthene lapha nje bazokuhlanganisa inhloko ngentshijilo abogogo bendawo zemakhaya abaqalene nazo kanhlangana nezinye ezibagugunako bahlalele evalweni njengoba nakaningi bangenelwa zinlelesi ngikhaya zibafuna imali lokhana baqeda ukuthatha umhlala phasi emsebenzini.
Mina ke ngakhethelwa isihloko esithi community involvement ukuzibandakanya emphakathini ukuthi uzibandakanya njani sibogogo sihleze ekhaya sikahelebha njani plowing back to the community.
Sibogogo selesiluphele nje sasebenza sisesebatsha kodwa nokusebenza kwethu njenganje kusenza ubona singathokozeli ukuba bogogo sizizwe siledlile sihlala sisevalweni. Kokuthoma abogogo nabo bomkhulu abaningi siyangenelwa emakhaya ngombanyana abantwana abaningi abasebenzi bangasebenzi nje babona ngathi thina sinemali bese basingenele bafuna uzosithathela mhlambe lokho esinokho lokho nabangatholi litho lapho kuye bathathe nefurniture yonke.
Ilukazezi zithayihlali kuhle naleyo ukuzithola kwabantu azinyana basebancane ikhibe ngapha abasebenzi ngoba nabadlisa abogogo imali epension kabuhlungu. Bogogo babonisene nangokuthi basebenzisana njani nelutsha begodwa bakhulume nangokuthi nekuluphale napha imizimba yanakekelwa.
Besikhuluma ngokuzinakekela ngomzimba nendlela zokuthi ungayenzani mase ukhulile unga exercise nendlela zokuthi ungadla njani ngendlela enjani.
Batho ba baswa le ba bagolo ba thushana jwang intergenerational connection re connecta jwang le batho ba baswa rena re le bogogo
namalungelo wabo bewagandelelwe bebangakhoni nokufeza amabhudango wabo.
Kannakuboba mkhulu bona beba indlala embizweni le bonakele mabili mathathu kwaphela amaqhegu. Endabeni ze-SABC nginguComfort Masombuka ngikubikela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Namhlanje kuthwaya ilanga lamazwe ngamazwe lokukhandela abantu ukuthi bangazibulali. I-World Suicide Prevention Day indoda eLimpopo ikhombela abantu ukuthi bakhulume ngeentshijilo abaqalene nazo kunokuthi bazibulale. Uphumuzo Themeli wePulukwane ke walinga ukuzibulala amahlandla amabili ngonobangela wokugandeleleka emkhumbulweni kunye nomzangwedwa.
Themeli weChikambe ehlanu kwethoyando uqalene nobudisi obubabazekako nomtlhago nakakhulako. Uthi wabegula kakhulu nakakhulako waphathwa amaphaphu nomphimbo. Ngale kwalokho uthi ukuhlukana kwababelethi bakhe nokubhubha kwakapa bakhe kwenza izinto zababudisa ukudlula. Uthi asaqalene nomhlago njalo kwathoma indaba yokutheliswa abangani. Akhanga sazi ukuthi enzeni uThumeli yathoma lapho ke imicabango yokuzibulala.
I used to admire other kids who were having their own
both parents. And I remember when you are growing without both parents, sometimes other people mistreat you.
Uthi walinga ukuzibulala ngokusela imchoka edlula isilinganiso esibekiweko kodwa nakwabhala njenganje uphethe ihlangano engasebenzeli inzuzo esiza abafundi nenindandani.
Then thought maybe if I kill myself things will be okay. That was after my dad passed away.
Abanye abantu abashayela impopo bathi intshijilo zomnotho nomzangedwa ngezinye zezinto ezibangela ukuthi umuntu abacabanga ukuzibulala.
Ernally the problems we just bottle up or instead of sharing with the next person reno keep matata to ourselves.
I-South African Depression and Anxiety Group ithi ukugandeleleka ngokomkhumbulo ngezinye zezinto ezibangela ukuzibulala.
The impact of suicide goes far beyond just the individual. It actually ripples through families and has a butterfly effect to communities and societies at large.
Nakusesenjalo amapholisa weLimpopo athi nanyana kuvulwa amacala azikho imbalo lezi semthethweni ngezinga lokuzibulala kwabantu.
Asiqale umbono wakho mbukele ngendaba ephela kule nakumbono wakho uyalandela.
Abantu besilisa basesenalento leyo ukuthi lokha nangabe mhlawumbe uqalene nenjijilo asabe ukukhuluma
into ihlalela ngayedwana kungabikho la umuntu axoxa naye.
Abobaba abathanda ukukhuluma ngenkinga abahlangabezana nazo.
Angithi umuntu uthi uyamhlebela nakaceda lapha indaba le ayigcwalise konke.
Amadoda akathethi akakhali kaeva kabuhlungu indoda ikhalela ngaphakathi.
Thina abantu abaduna asithathelwa ehlobo.
Abona basiri babhiza abanna and then banna bashavulela bare munna ke munna ukhwela kamogare.
Abanye mhlawumbe nithiwa ingane kuseli yakho siyikhulisa ziyandala bona imfihlo emndenini ayiphele bakithi.
Ukungasebenzi abe amaxabiso okuphila enyuka mihla nezolo ukuhlukunyezwa zezinye zezizathu ezibangela into abana amadoda abone kusisombululo ukuthatha ubomi bawo.
Mawubona ukuthi kunzima empilweni ngizama ukukhuluma nabantu bazokwazi ukuthi bakusize.
Umbono ngeumbukele SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando ukuziphendulela ngombono umbukele. Ezingena nje ngezithi iphiko lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi lizokuvula ngobutsha icala la ngo-1977 lokubulawa komchochozeli wezepolitiki nomsunguli we-Black Consciousness Movement uSteve Biko. Kezemali iranda liqinile nalinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Arakakuhle amalungiselelo womdlalo wamafinal we-MTN 8 ophakathi we-Orlando Pirates ne-Stellenbosch FC. Kanti abalandeli bebhola bakhuthazwa ukuthi bafike kusesenesikhathi ukubalekela ukudana kulo mdlalo yokuthoma nge-hour lesithandathu entambama ngomgqibelo.
Sekuthindwa lapha nalaphaya ngaphambi komdlalo omkhulu lo. Ngileli hlandla amaBuccaneers neSteelers ayokubhudabhudana etatawini leMpumalanga. Nanya namathikithi walomdlalo athengwe aphela njalo. Kodwa na iMTN sesenembijana yawo ewathumbisa abathandi bebhola.
We encourage fans out there that are still looking for tickets, because we still have a few, part one on our side, to come and engage with us and have a chance to win, tickets in the competitions that we'll be running. Obviously, we're not selling tickets. I think we must make that very clear to everybody. We are not trading.
Kuthiwa amasango etatawu ayokuvulwa nge-hour le-11 ekseni. Ihlelekile nendawo ehlelwe ukuphaka kwenkoloyi. Ngombana ezinye indlela zobe zivaliwe ngenxa yesiminyaminya.
We have secured the park and ride in Berflam High School, Lowveld High School, the road, the R104 in between the CBD. It will be partially closed. However, our deployment will start early as 11 o'clock in the morning.
Okubekele phambili kuphepha kwababukeli.
Those that are not having tickets, don't come near the stadium because you won't reach the stadium. Those that are coming with fake tickets, they will be dealt with accordingly.
They must be here before 4 o'clock because all the roads leading to the stadium, exactly 4 o'clock, will be taking control of all the roads, and our boys are going to arrive here 4:30.
Lo mdlalo yokuthoma nge-hour lesithandathu entambama.
Asikhambe sokuqala ubujamo bezulu nobusayi.
Siyathokoza Cedric Lochani ekhaya ngelesithathu siyacalela vele ukuthi bunjani ubujamo bezulu sibona lapha livale ngamafu eCape Town entambama namhlanje samathuba wezulu atholakala nge30% inanza indawo zangaleke ngePumalanga Kapa ngezinye indawo zangaleke ngeFreystata nakulesa sifunda sangaleke ngakwaZulu Natal sibona ke ezinye indawo ukuvulile kanti kusasa ke sibona livale ngamafu endaweni eziningi i30% siyibona ke egwini elingapha ukusuka la eGqeberha ukhambe njalo ukufika lapha eDurban sibona amathuba wezulu atholakala nge30% kanti ke nalapha eCape Town ukuchinga eChingalanga livulileke lapha endaweni zangaleke ngeTlagwini Kapa kanti ke nasicala lapha isilemukiso sisitholileko kuthiwa kunomoya ke ngalenga kubo Uppington ukufika ngapha ngeBloemfontein namhlanje sientambama siyocala ke ukuthi kusasa sithola siphi isilemukiso umlilo wemango le engaba khona ke endaweni lapho ubona khona isarulana nangapha ngeBloemfontein kulezi ndawo ke zabo Richards Bay nalapha ke endaweni zePhulukwane sibona lapha ke isilemukiso somlilo wemango siyocala ukuthi kanjani amazinga okuchisa isifunda seGauteng ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ke sifuthumele kizo zonke indawo noma ekseni sibona kupholile nje iPitori nge14 kanti ke ngemva kwamadina i29 iBronkhospruit i27 nasicala lapha ke isifunda seLimpopo naso sipholile ekseni ngokuhamba kwesikhathi isifunda sonke pheze siyachisa kulapha eBurgersfort la sifuthumele khona nge27 iPhulukwane nge28 Musina ichisa khulu nge35 iMpumalanga sibona ke imakhazana ekseni kodwa ngokuhamba kwesikhathi sifunda pheze sonke sifuthumele kamnandi kulapha eMbombela nesikhukhuza lapha ukuchisa khona nge32 boMalahleni Middelburg bomhlanga bo28 bo27 kwaZulu Natal bonakala ke ichisa endaweni eziningi iKokstad nalapha ke ePort Shepstone la kufuthumele khona ke ngemva kwamadina nokho ekseni kupholile ngokuhamba kwesikhathi kuchisa khulu lapha kubo Richards Bay Eastern Cape bonakala ke ipholile endaweni ezilapha enzasi kodwa nana ukhuphukako sifunda siyafuthumala kulapha eKomani neMthatha la kuchisa khona iMthatha nge33 siyocala ke ngale ngesifundeni sange Western Cape eChingalanga Kapa sibona iCape Town imakhaza pheze imini yonke nge18 ngemva kwamadina kuthi ke lapha endaweni zabo Oudtshoorn khona ke kufuthumele iBeaufort West nge25 nayo ifuthumele iNorthern Cape esibona ke ichisa ngemva kwamadina endaweni zabo Kurumane Kimberley kanti ke kubo Sutherland khona ke kumakhazana pheze imini yonke nalapha eSpringbok ngale ngesifundeni sange Freystata sibona ke nakhona ke kuyachisa ngemva kwamadina ngezinye indawo kufuthumele lapha eBothaville nge32 esifundeni sangaleke ngeNorthern angithi ngeNorthwest kokugcina naso ke sibonakala sizokufuthumala ngokuhamba kwesikhathi asibonane kodwa ngesikhathi esilandelako dilo
Indaba zesizulu ziyalanela nge-hour lekhomba kanti kusasa nangelesihlanu ngeziswati isisale nomusa.